As the Norse Project Search intern, we ask that you sign the contract that we have created for you. Let's review that now. So this is what the Norse Project Search intern contract looks like. Just to briefly review this with you, we're just going to go through the bullet points here, and then you can review more with your family, and then sign that in return or ask me questions if you have any of those. So it just states that you will complete at least 3 unpaid job internships at Northern Kentucky University. You're going to attend the program every day from 7:45 to 2:30 p.m. Monday through Friday once face-to-face instruction begins. And you will also participate virtually and complete all activities and assignments given to you from the instructor and skills trainer. You agree to dress appropriately and wear required attire as described in the dress code when on campus. You will call your instructor and departmental supervisors when you're absent or tardy once you begin your internships. You agree to make up any assignments that are missed due to excused absences if those are to occur. You agree to follow the rules established by the program at Norse Project Search. You agree to attend regularly scheduled meetings with your OVR counselor, parents and teachers, and skills trainer. You agree to be an active participant and communicate any issues at our employment planning meetings. And you will actively pursue employment once you have completed the program. So once you agree with all of those, you can sign your name where it says intern signature and date it, and then have your parent guardian sign as well. If you scroll on down, it talks about intern responsibilities, parent guardian responsibilities, and then if the unlikely chance were that we had problems, then this would be our next steps. So review this with your families. Make sure that you agree to everything. And again, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to me.